And now shifting focus, nature's fury has struck again in Uttarakhand. At least 6 people are dead and 11 still missing. This is after relentless rains and back-to-back cloudbursts have triggered devastating landslides across the hill state. In fact, entire villages were caught off guard as rivers swelled, homes crumbled and people were buried under the mounds of mud and debris. The worst hit districts in the state include Chamoli, Rudraprayag, Tehri and Bageshwar. They all now lie scarred, reeling from the destruction. In fact, the latest wave of devastation comes barely days after the Tharali tragedy that hit the district on August 23rd. Now, as of now, the harsher truth remains that Uttarakhand is in the grip of a punishing monsoon and we are witnessing the impact of it on the ground. This is the fury of monsoon, the peak of monsoon on its display. In fact, across the state, heavy and continuous rainfall continues to trigger a series of disasters in the state. And the latest one now coming in, which has left about 6 people dead and 11 missing in the state. Now, the worst hit districts in Uttarakhand include Chamoli, Rudraprayag, Tehri and Bageshwar. They all lie now scarred, reeling from the destruction that a series of disasters has brought along with it. Remember, this also calls for questioning in terms of the kind of development we are going for in these hilly states. Is it sustainable? Is it in line with the kind of extreme weather events we are witnessing now? And also, are we equipped to build more climate-resilient infrastructure in these states? These are the questions that will have to be asked after the kind of impact we are now witnessing in Uttarakhand and also several other states. Now, in fact, the latest wave of devastation comes barely after the Tharali tragedy that hit the district on August 23rd. And it does underscore a harsh truth here, in fact, that Uttarakhand right now is in the grip of a punishing monsoon. We're getting you visuals also on your screen of the rescue operations that are taking place across the state. You can see how teams have been deployed to move people to safer locations.